A nice feature I can utilize pre-season to help set target vacuum levels for different seed sizes is the meter runoff. To get to the meter runoff, select Tools from the Run page, select Planter Runoff Procedures. I have the ability to do a single meter runoff, a row runoff, or a whole planter runoff. A whole planter runoff could be utilized to help finish emptying seed out of the meters on the planter. In this case, I'm going to do a meter runoff. We're going to use row number 7. We can enter our target population as well as our test speed, and then select the number of seeds that we would like to run the test on, or how many seeds we would like dispensed from the meter. When ready to start the test, select Start and ensure your vacuum is already turned on and we have a reading. We'll select Start, and then we will see the performance on that row. Will tell us average singulation as well as multiples and skips on that row. Then we can adjust vacuum levels and double eliminator settings to help that run better so we are ready when we go to the field. When ready to stop the test, it will stop at 2,000 seeds, or we can select Abort.